back to the Airplanes and Luxury channel, the new name. Today I'm going to be doing a video, obviously, on how to clean a fountain pen to change ink colors and all that stuff. So what I like to do is fill up the cups with water. Make sure you got about halfway full. Then what you do is take your Mont Blanc pen, or any pen that you have. It has to be a fountain pen that you do this. I'm just doing my Mont Blanc 145 pen and cleaning that one because I need to clean it. Here it is. We're going to use this at the end. This isn't one of the end steps. It's a fountain pen cleaner, but we use that at the end. So just move that back there. After you get your pen cap off, you just make sure the pump of the pen, or the part of the pen, this part over here, make sure that this part is all the way at the bottom. And then after that, you just dip your pen in there in the ink, pull the pump back up. Okay, so there it is. Then you let all the, then after that, see this over here? You let all the drops back out. Okay? Then you have to repeat that step by sucking back in again. Has it full of water and ink, and flush it back out. This is just normal tap water that I'm using. And keep doing that. And that. You keep flushing it until the pen, or almost most of the ink that comes out, is clear. Okay, since now most of the ink is all cleared out and all ready to go, and most of the ink is all came out, then what you do is all dirty water. Now the ink will mostly be like a clearish blue, like barely any. It'll be diluted, I should say, the ink. Dump that out. Rinse both the cups out. Okay, so after I've done that, after I've done all that jazz, I like to use this one brand called Monteverde USA. It's a fountain pen flush. It's almost like a special soap for pens to clean it. And I've never done this, cleaned this pen with this flush. I've brand new got this. I cleaned other pens with it, but I've used this pen for almost a year now. Haven't used this flush, and I've had a lot of gunk through this pen, and it really needs a good cleaning. So all you had to do is pour some of that in the jars, or in the 2 solo cups, which I like to use. The solo cups, just pour some of it in one of them, and then none in the other, and then just start flushing. And I'll show you how to do that. So I take some of my pen flush, and it's a little bubbly, and pour some in there. Not too much, because you won't be using a lot of it. Usually I don't really use a lot of it. I made a little bit of a mess, so I'm going to have to cooperate with me here. Don't want to get this on places. Okay, after you've done that, it's really easy just to take the same pen you cleaned, right here, the Mont Blanc, dip it into this pen flush. Usually not deep enough because I don't want to use a lot of it. And then suck it up. Whenever you put it out of the pen, it'll look pretty soapy. So I've sucked it in the pen. Okay. Okay, let me do this real quick and I'll show you what it looks like. So I've sucked it on the pen. It looks pretty bubbly in there. And then all I had to do is do the same thing how I've done the other one and then just flush this all out. Get all that gunk out. I think I need to put more in there. It's not the best pouring cup. It spills every time I do it, and I don't know why. I do not like that. Okay, so this. Okay. Anyway, so I'm not endorsing that product. I don't own any part of that company. Monteverde USA Pen Flush. I just like to use it to clean my pens. And this is what I do. And suck it in and keep doing it until about 3 or 4 times I like to do. Keep flushing it in and out. And then dump it all out. Gets all that gunk out, which is very nice. Which surprisingly doesn't have a lot of gunk on there. Which I'm a little surprised. One more time. Well, I think that's about it. You can dump both of these out. It gets pretty bubbly too. So guys, that's basically it. But if you want to do a deep clean, I'd also recommend, which I will do after this video, but for time purposes, I don't want the video to be too long. You just take this pen and then flush it through water, put water through it, and flush it through water. Like, I'll show you how to do that real quick. And then that's about it. And then you just dry everything off with a paper towel, put the pen back together, and fill it up with ink again and start writing. Now all you do is get some water, get your pen, and just slow water, like about that. Put it through there. And there you go. That's about it. Now all I have to do is dry all this stuff and I'll be done. You can start writing again after you put ink in there. Okay everyone, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.